Over the last few weeks, my sort of major focus has been to rebuild a lot of my beds or just add to them. And so in this video, I'm just going to show sort of what some of that process has looked like. But here is a bed that I'm currently working on. And really what this is required is getting access to a bunch of rocks. And so I found some people on Craigslist getting rid of rocks, giving them away, and then a few people selling rocks. So I've gotten about 6 truckloads full of nice big rocks in the last few weeks. And then I've been getting many loads of soil, either soil, topsoil, or soil compost mix from a local place that has pretty high quality stuff. So I will show you the process I've been doing and what some of the results are. I will start pulling out these small rocks and replacing them with the big boys here.